We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC-9460 printer. If you've been getting a replace drum message, we're going to show you how to go and replace that drum and reset that message. So the first thing you want to do is power down the printer. I always suggest turning off the printer before you do anything to it. Once you're done, once everything's powered down, we're going to open the front door here. And then we're going to want to pull out a toner tray. Make sure the toner tray is completely pulled out. And you'll see this little green tab. We're going to want to turn that. And once you have that turned, we're going to lift the entire drum unit straight out of the printer. So then you'll remove all of your toners, setting them on a clean, dry, flat surface. And there you go, there's your used drum unit. So once you have your new one, all we got to do is get it ready to be reinstalled. So for this case, we're going to just reuse the same drum. We're going to go ahead and reinstall all of our toners. And then we are going to slide our drum unit right back into the printer. And then when you go to slide it in, you can only get it in about an inch or so at first, and then you have to push that little green tab back down, and then it'll slide the rest of the way back inside the printer. So now you've replaced your drum unit. We'll close it back on, close the front cover again, go ahead and turn the printer back on. Once the printer boots all the way back up and the power's on, you're going to want to push menu. You're going to go down to machine info, and then once you're in the machine info section, you're going to go through and find reset parts life, and then click OK, and then you're going to go down, use up or down arrow key to select drum. Once you find the drum option, hit OK. It's going to ask you if you want to replace the drum unit. You're going to push 1 for yes. And now you've reset the drum unit, and you can push the stop exit button, and that'll take you back to your home screen. And just like that, you've replaced the drum unit and reset the drum counter, so that message will go away and it'll be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.